Hello, this is Devashisa and welcome to the digital content again, module 3, week 2. We will be continuing with the first chapter, computer storage and memory device. Last day I have explained you about the data and information, how the data is stored in the computer and how it is managed. So this week we shall be starting with a new topic, that is the memory. Okay, so in computer we have two types of memory, that is the primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as the main memory or the internal memory. The secondary memory is also known as the auxiliary or the external memory or the backup memory. The reason why we are calling it as a backup memory or external memory, because here we can store the data permanently. Okay, here we can store the data permanently. So if we divide the computer memory, then we are dividing it into two categories, the primary memory and the secondary memory. Again, the primary memory has been divided into two categories, that is the RAM and the ROM. RAM has two parts, that is the SRAM and DRAM, and ROM has again two parts, ROM and EEPROM. I will be giving you one presentation in the form of PDF, so kindly look into that PDF, okay, along with the digital content. Similarly, in case of secondary memory, we have hard disk, we have S disk, we have compact disk, floppy disk and magnetic tape. Now magnetic tape was used long time back. Nowadays we don't use magnetic tape. So let's start with the first one, that is the hard disk. It is the main secondary memory device found inside the computer. It is present inside the CPU box. It stores large amount of data, children. Nowadays we are having like 1 TB hard disk in the computer, inside our computer. More than 1 TB is also possible. The data stored in the hard disk can be retrieved whenever required. Next is your CD. CD is a circular in shape, and it can also it also stores a huge amount of data. A CD can store up to 700 MB. The CD can be of two types, that is CD-R and CD-RW. The meaning of CD-R is CD rewritable and CD-W is writable. Okay, CD-R is compact disk recordable and CD-W is writable. Writable means we can erase the data and again we can store the data. Next is your digital versatile disk, that is the DVD. It is looking like CD only, but the quality of the content will be more good, and the storage capacity is also higher than that of the CD. Next, pen drive. Everybody knows about pen drive. It is a storage device which is very small in size. We can store it in the pocket and we can transfer data from one computer to another. Next is your memory card. Everybody knows, no need of explanation, because we use it in the mobile. So let's highlight on some of the points of difference of the RAM and ROM, which is a primary memory. So in case of RAM and ROM, data and programs stored during and after the process in the RAM, in case of when the computer is on, stored. And in case of ROM, what happens, some of the predefined instructions are only stored. Okay, it will not contain any other thing, only some predefined instructions